We have a roadmap for you. It's kind of the roadmap to resilient enterprise. It addresses geopolitical supply chain risks. First and foremost, readiness assessment, performance capability. This is what's your as is condition. What are you good at? What's your strengths, what your weaknesses, and improve those through a free assessment. All right. Next, when you do that, maybe you think about a supply chain risk alert system, because in the risk globalization geopolitical arena, folks, speed to make a decision is life. Speed is life in risk management. Next, you might want to think about supplier financial analysis. We didn't talk too much about it, but there's something out there called the Altman Z score. It is a bankruptcy predictor. All you need is income statement and balance sheet, and you can calculate it. It is an algorithm that has a 95% forecast accuracy of forecasting potential bankruptcy 15 months into the future. You could do this for your suppliers, for your customers. It's free. After that, maybe you do some risk assessments. Maybe you do some scenario planning. Digitizing your supply chain. Get a supply chain that is small and maybe do a facilitated supply chain mapping exercises. It's a wow effect. Then mitigation. Once you identify some risks, you assess them. We would actually say maybe you want to develop a mitigation plan to be better prepared if, in fact, these geopolitical risks occur. And that all leads to, at the end game, more resilient growth, maturing your supply chain in order to mitigate the geopolitical risks.